Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign up for Bigo Live. Bigo is one of the leading live streaming community to show your talents and make friends around the world. So if you are looking forward to sign up on Bigo Live, then watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel WebTech Tutorials. So let's begin. To sign up for Bigo Live, you have to download the Bigo Live, then tap open the application. At first you will be asked to sign in with your phone number, and you also have the option to sign up with Facebook, Google, Twitter, so you can choose any option. If you want to sign up with phone number, you have to go to the phone number field over here and choose your country code by tapping on the drop down button and enter your phone number over here. And if you don't want to enter that, you want to go with other option, then below there you can see Facebook, Google, Twitter icons. Tap on which one you want to sign up with, and then you will be able to move forward with signing up process in Bigo Live. Here we will choose the sign up process with Google account, so tap on the Google. So when you choose your Google account, the Bigo Live will access to your information from the Google account and take your Google name and information, and rest you have to fill in over here. Choose your gender, enter your hometown. You can skip this process later. You have the skip button at the top right corner of your screen, so tap on the skip button for now. And first of all, you will be shown about the top trending broadcasters in Bigo Live. So if you want to choose them, you can choose them, otherwise you can just tap on done and let it go. So here is the newsfeed page of Bigo Live. Go to the profile button at the bottom right of your screen. This is your profile created. You have successfully signed up in Bigo Live. How to log in or how to sign in to Bigo Live. To sign into your account on Bigo Live from your device, this video till the end. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials. Sign into Bigo Live. You have to open the Bigo Live application on your device. You simply require sign up information. Remember what you had used while signing up for Bigo Live. You had used your phone number to sign in, then you have to enter your phone number in this area. You have to choose the country code in the drop down menu over here. You had used other ways like Facebook, Google account or Twitter to sign into Bigo, then you have to choose from the middle of the screen. You can see the or option, Facebook, Google, Twitter icons. If you had used one of them, then choose accordingly. So since I had used Google account last time, I'm going to choose the Google icon from here. And once you have chose your Google account from the Google account section, so the Google account will help you log into your Bigo Live. Therefore, you are successfully logged into your Bigo account. You can see by going to the bottom right corner in the profile icon, you are logged in successfully. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have learned how to sign into your Bigo Live account. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the comment section. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel WebTech Tutorials for web contents and tutorials.